This is a skilled trades career fair, and the purpose behind it is to provide mostly our juniors and seniors with opportunities for seniors to find companies that are hiring students as they graduate for careers outside of the places that you would have to go to college for. And then for our juniors, we're looking for companies who are going to be offering them internships or work-based learning opportunities for them to do during their senior year.
Springs Valley Bank and Trust. I am a commercial lender there at the bank. We are here today just to let the local kids know that there are a lot of job opportunities at the bank. I know a lot of kids think about banking as the people who are counting money, but there's a lot of stuff that goes on behind the scenes. So we've got everything from IT to human resources. We've got a lot of job opportunities. So those who aren't going to go away to college or who want a summer internship, come see us.
Senior recruiter with French Lick Resorts. We are here at Paoli High School looking for applicants to work with us this summer. We're looking for team members that smile a lot and are hardworking, and we're happy to be here.
We are just here to introduce ourselves to the next generation of employees. And in employees, we're looking for people who are interested in our field, which would be office work, line work, interest in fiber optic and internet. And we're just looking for hardworking students who might be willing to expand their knowledge on different things and just be a good employee and have a good career with us at Orange County REMC.